Hello everyone! Welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking.
And today we're gonna make a flat oven-baked Italian bread called focaccia bread. I will top it with fresh rosemary and olives, but the good thing is you can do pretty much any toppings for this bread, such as tomatoes, onions, ham, garlic, roasted peppers. Just feel free to try out different toppings. And I promise you this is an easy to follow and easy to make recipe. So keep on watching! But before I get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. Let's start by combining bread flour in a bowl, chop the rosemary leaves. Do not include the stem when you chop it, it's kinda bitter. I actually planted rosemary in our garden. This herbs is so easy to grow. Actually, it's in my garden all year long. And it smells so wonderful and it comes so handy because it goes well with poultry, meats, soups, stews, veggies, bread, jams, and many others. Add instant dried yeast to your mixture and mix them together. I love to use instant dried yeast because you can add it directly to the flour. Just do not add it together with the salt because salt is the number one enemy of the yeast. Salt slows down the fermentation process, so just keep it in mind. Pour the olive oil, lukewarm water, and give it a quick stir. Add the salt and mix them together. Transfer the mixture into your work surface. This mixture is well hydrated and this is a sticky one. In case yours is not, you may add a little bit of water. And do not attempt to add more flour to this. Just sprinkle a little flour into your work surface and knead this for 7 minutes. In case it's hard for you to manage a dough, another technique that I would like to share is the slap and fold. This works well with a better dough. You may also watch my other videos called eggless dinner roll and milk bread, so you'll have an idea. Transfer the dough to a slightly greased bowl, cover it with cling film or tea towel, and leave it at room temperature for 45 minutes or until double in size. Punch your dough to remove the air bubbles and cover it again for 10 minutes. This process will help to easily flatten your dough into your baking tray. After 10 minutes, transfer your dough to a slightly oiled baking tray and using your hands, press it evenly. Avoid tearing the dough. Use your fingers to put dimples all over the dough. I have no idea why I only use one finger doing this, but yes, you have to use your fingers for easy work. Top it with olives and rosemary leaves. You may also soak your rosemary leaves and olives in olive oil before sprinkling it on top. Drizzle it with olive oil and cover it again for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Drizzle it again with olive oil. So there you have it. Our focaccia bread is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.